Hi, in today's video we're going to explain how to use Ibotta at Walmart. Be sure to watch until the end to learn all the details. To get started, you need to link your Walmart account to your Ibotta account. Log in to Ibotta through the app or on the website at Ibotta.com. The link is provided in the description. Once logged in, navigate to the Walmart retailer page and select the link account option. Sign in using your Walmart credentials and add your debit, credit, gift, or EBT card to save money on your orders. Next, find offers for the products you plan to buy and add them to your Walmart list within the Ibotta app. This step is crucial as it ensures you receive cash back on eligible items. When you're ready to shop, purchase the items listed on your Walmart list. If you're shopping online, make sure to select online on the Walmart page from the Ibotta app. If you're shopping in store, choose in store from the Ibotta app. After completing your shopping, the final step is to upload your receipt. Do this by selecting Submit Receipt in the Ibotta app and scanning the barcode at the bottom of your paper receipt. And that's it. Using Ibotta at Walmart to save money on your orders is straightforward and easy. Thank you for watching, and until next time.